Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Today we are trying out a new cookie, brown sugar cookies. The recipe can be found at sweetopia.net. Since we are still dealing with the COVID pandemic, we have no idea if football season's gonna happen, but I'm hopeful. And if you can't tell already, to show how hopeful I am, we are gonna make Denver Bronco Cookies. Let's get out our ingredients. You need flour, brown sugar, eggs, butter, salt, and vanilla. Sift together 5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bloop. Sifty, sift, sift, sift. Cream together 4 sticks of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar. Mixy, mix, 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 mix till it's fluffy. Scrapity, scrape, scrape. Add 1 egg, mix, mix, mix. Add the second egg, mix, mix, mix. Scrapity, scrape, scrape. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Boop, boop. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. Then add all of the flour and the salt mixture. Oops, a little messy. Cover the mixer with a towel so you don't make a huge mess. Ta-da! Time to roll out the dough. Roll in the dough, roll in the dough. Roll, 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 roll the dough. Refrigerate the rolled out dough for at least 30 minutes before cutting out the cookies. And then once the cookies are cut out, I tend to refrigerate them again. That really helps the cookies keep their shape. Set your oven to 350. Let's decorate. I drew out the Bronco head first with an edible ink marker for reference. Once you have your guidelines, start with the navy blue color first. Fill in the orange and the white icing once the navy blue has been sitting for at least 30 minutes. Boop, ba-doop, boop, boop. When the cookies are dry, you can add the extra details. Boop. Boop. Ta-da! You have a Bronco cookie. We all need outlets in life, and sports are a big outlet for so many people. I look forward to the football season every year. So hopefully this year, we get to enjoy the NFL season, even if it's just from our homes. But in the meantime, I'll enjoy some Denver Bronco cookies. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking, and go Broncos!